Hello, I'm Revanth Madasu from Group 3 Hackaholics. So, our application is an enhanced chat application which supports advanced features like auto reply, scheduled messaging, and embedded dictionary. So, this is our landing page after user installs the application. So, from this page, user can create an account, or if he or she already has an account, it allows them to log in. So you can use the create account button to open the registration screen. So user can uh, enter his details like name, email ID, and password. So after user creates an account, he will be redirected to the request tab. In this screen, user can navigate to chats and friends tabs as well. Currently, he is in request tab. Since the user has been just created, he doesn't have any new data. So our use case one deals with the user authentication, which involves creation of accounts and login, logout. So let's try whether we can log in using these credentials of the newly created account. Already has account test underscore new 2@gmail.com. This was the account we created just now. Let's try with a wrong password first. It says the password is invalid, and now let's try with the right password. Yes, successfully logged in. And now in the use case 2, it should allow user to make friends. So in order to make friends, first user has to send a friend request. So there is a tab called all users tab where we have all the users. If we click on the menu button here, and if we click on the all users list item, it will take to the all users screen where you can search users by username. So let's search for my name, Revanth, and let's send a friend request. Let's go back. And let's send another friend request to test 1. So in the request tabs, it will show the requests that the current user has sent, and also the request that he might be getting. So these are the users to which we have sent our requests, and we can, if we click on cancel, those requests will be cancelled. So let's log into the test 1 account. I already have the test uh, I already have the Revanth tab in another uh, device. So in this account we have logged in with Revanth credentials. Uh, this was the request that we have sent earlier. So if we click on accept, Revanth test new would be appearing in the reference tab. And now if we go to the friends tab, since Revanth has just now accepted the friend request, he's appearing here. So this is how we make friends. And also user can also decline the friend request. So if you go to the request tab here, we have sent a request to test 1 account. So we'll log in with test 1 account and decline the friend request there. So this is the test 1 account, and Here we have the test new to user, and let's reject this friend request. So once the user clicks reject button, then the request would be deleted. And this is how we deny the friend request. And if you can see here, after a notification is sent, sorry, after a friend request is sent, we are getting a friend request notification as well. So this is our use case requirement 2.5, which is send notification when a friend request has been sent. If we expand it, we can see the all of the notifications. So coming to the communicate use case, in the communicate use case allows users to communicate with each other. So I'm now in the test one tab, and let's communicate with Revanth. So this is the in this account we have logged in with Revanth, and in this account we have logged in with test one user. So let's see how the communication works in real time. So in the chats tab, you can directly click on the user, or you can also go to friends and click on the uh, item here. So the chats tab is if you have an active conversation that is going, the user would appear here. So if there is no initiated chat, then you won't have any item in the chats tab. You will only have those users in the friends tab. So you can directly click on the chat list item. So these were the previous messages that were sent. Let's type a message. Hello. Uh, this is the message that was received at the Revanth user, and yeah, we got a push notification. So I'm responding to this message. And this message should be appearing on the other tab. I'm changing the to the new other device. Yes, we got this message here. So you can notice in our chat window, the user from to which we are communicating, his or her messages would be appearing in the blue background, whereas the current user's messages would be appearing in the white background. This is to highlight the context of the other person. So in the communicate use case, we also have delete chat requirement, which allows users to delete the chat. So if you click on the menu icon over here, you can see the delete chat button, and once you click on it, the chat would be deleted. As you can see, after clicking on that button, we don't have any chat here. Now coming to the auto reply use case. Auto reply is our advanced feature which allows users to respond automatically when he or she is offline. So in order to auto reply work, first we need the appropriate data to be set, and also we need the auto reply to be enabled. So if you can long tap on the item, for example, if you can long tap on the Revanth chat item, you can see these uh, four options regarding auto reply. So it we can categorize the members into three groups. The first is friend, and second is family, and third is both the friends and family. So why this is implemented? Because to categorize the people so that sensitive information like location or you know any credit card information, those can be those keys can be set to only the family category. So now let's set Revanth as family, and let's set some auto reply data. So if you click on the menu button on the top, then you can see add auto reply data. Click there, and you can add a default message here. So this default message will be sent when the incoming text doesn't match with any of the user keys. Then we would be sending a then the system would be sending a default reply. And here we can keep some keys like hey, comma separated keys. We can keep hey, hi, hello, and if the user gets these kind of messages, then we need to respond appropriately. So let's keep a response message. Hey, how are you? Now let's choose the category. So we need this response to be sent for any of the categories, right? Like you this can be generic, so let's select for both categories. Add, this is a confirmation box. Okay, now go back, and now let's send a message from the test1 account, I mean the Revanth account, to test1. So now if you send a message called hey, or let's send a message hi, we should be getting the hey, how are you reply. So there is a little delay since uh, yeah, we got the auto reply message. So why the delay is because it has to check for certain period of time, and then if the user still doesn't respond, then it would be sending an auto reply message. For the demo purpose, I have kept the delay as 5 seconds. That's why we got the auto reply in 5 seconds. We can keep it like ideal time to keep it would be a 5 minutes delay. So now let's add test 4 as a uh, friend account, and let's give some friends and family keys to see how the categorization works. uh, User Revanth is set as a family, and we will set user test 4 as a friend. Okay, now let's add the friend data. Let's say where, location, and for friend we will keep I'm not at university today. And for family, we will keep I'm at the hospital. So now, since Revanth is set as family, we should be getting am at the hospital now. Yep, we got it as am at the hospital. But now, if we log in as test 3, test 4, we should be getting I'm not at the university today. Let's log in with test 4. Where are you? That's right. We got it as I'm not at a university because test 4 is set as the friend category. He doesn't have much access to the data. Like the sensitive information, you should be keeping it to family category, and the non-sensitive information you can keep it to friend category. So this is how the auto reply works. And coming to the scheduled messaging part, you can let's keep auto reply none so that we don't get auto reply for the scheduled message. So now let's continue with the use case 6, that is scheduled messaging. So on top of the chat window, you have a menu icon. If you click on that, you will see the scheduled message option. So if you click on the scheduled message option, it would take through this screen, which has a beautiful timer layout, and you can select the time at which particular time at which message should be sent. Let's send it next minute. Hello scheduled. Okay, it's already 9:36 now, so let's increase it to 9:37. Set message. Yep, the message is sent, and let's wait till 9:37 to see if the message will be sent or not. Meanwhile, let's go directly to the use case, dictionary use case, which is use case 7. In the chat window, we have a dictionary button on the bottom right. So if you click on the dictionary button, then you will see the dictionary screen where you can search the vocabulary terms like and once you select the word, the meaning, the definition of the words would be appearing here. Yep. Okay, the time is 9:37 now. So let's see if the auto reply is sent or not. Yep, the scheduled message is sent now. Uh, Since we are actually using the cloud, so it would take a little bit delay for the message to be sent. So we have set it as 9:37, but it would be sent at 9:37 30 seconds. It would have a 30 seconds delay. So coming to the use case 8, which allows users to edit profile. So if you click on the menu button on the chat or request tab, we can see the account settings, and if you click on the account settings, then we would be having this page where user can change image or change status. So user can change the display picture, and this using this picture users can see him. So you can crop and select the image. Yeah, this is the image that we set, and you can also change the status of the user. So the status can be anything that user wants other people to know, like if he's at vacation or if he is at the office. So it can be a generic message that every person wants to see. Or it can be like I'm offline for a while at vacation. Now users would be knowing that he is offline for a while. And in the user authentication use case, we also have a persist case. That is, once the user is logged in, and if he closes the application, even then it should persist the authentication session. So let's close the application and see if it requires a user to log in once again. Now we have closed the application, and let's log the application also. Okay, we have unlocked it. And once you open the aChat, it should already be logged in. Yes, it's already logged in. So this is the persist use case. So these are the features that we implemented. The future enhancements can be done in implementing decentralized messaging systems. Like currently the tech stack we have used is the Google Cloud Firebase. So this is the centralized way of handling the messages. The future use case can be a decentralized way of sending and receiving message, like implementing a peer-to-peer communication system. And also we can add even more groups, and we can also add sending multimedia files. Yes. So yeah, this is it. Thank you.